Have you ever felt like your heart made the choice, but your bank account paid the price? Relationships can be a source of support or emotional and financial traps. And the most dangerous part? You often realize it only when you're drowning in debt, exhausted, or frozen without understanding how you got there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spot the early signs that reveal if a partner is going to build with you or drain you, not just emotionally, but financially too. Because love without awareness can be expensive, and you don't need to learn that the hard way. Stick around until the end. This could help you avoid the worst financial decision of your life. For a long time, we were taught that true love conquers all, even money problems, debt, and irresponsibility. But the truth is, love alone doesn't pay bills, and it won't hold a relationship together in the long run. Many women get into relationships believing love will take care of everything, and only realize the damage once their name is tied to a loan, a lease, or a pile of debt. The illusion of he'll change with time, or he just needs a push, has dragged many women into relationships that drain time, energy, emotional health, and money. And this isn't about being materialistic. It's about protecting what you've built. It's about not becoming someone's emotional babysitter and personal accountant. You are not responsible for carrying a man emotionally and financially when he won't even take responsibility for his own life. Now let's get to it. Here are the 5 most common signs that a relationship is financially dragging you down. First, he has zero control over his own money. Lives paycheck to paycheck, no savings, doesn't track spending, and thinks that's normal. Second, he racks up debt without discussing it, buys impulsively, maxes out cards, and expects you to fix it. Third, he's obsessed with appearances, needs status symbols, car, designer clothes, expensive dinners, but doesn't have the income to match. Guess who ends up covering it? Usually it's you. Fourth, he uses you as emotional and financial support, but builds nothing with you. You invest, he consumes. You plan, he delays. Fifth, he's jealous of your growth. When you talk about career plans, earning more, moving up, he tries to tear you down, masks it as jokes, but really he wants to slow you down. These aren't signs of imperfection. They're red flags. If 2 or more sound familiar, it's time to wake up. And if right now you're asking, why do I always pick this kind of guy? Don't blame yourself, but do listen to yourself. The answer often lies in your past. Emotional neglect, fear of being alone, low self-esteem, or the need to feel needed. A lot of women fall for men who need saving, thinking that's love. But if love only exists when you're disappearing into his needs, that's not love. It's emotional survival. And if you don't pause and look at the pattern, it repeats. New name, different face, same story. Breaking the cycle starts when you realize that wanting a real partner doesn't make you demanding. It makes you self-aware. Now that you've seen the signs of what drags you down, let's flip the script. What does a relationship that actually lifts you up, financially too, look like? A healthy partner isn't perfect, but he owns his mistakes. He's aware of his financial reality, doesn't pretend everything's fine while drowning in debt. Most importantly, he wants to grow with you, not at your expense. He respects your goals, supports your projects, and doesn't feel threatened when you shine or earn more. He fuels your growth. He talks about money maturely, makes real plans, respects limits, and can say no when needed, even to himself. In a relationship that builds, money is a tool, not a weapon. No secret spending, no income battles, no sabotaging each other in the name of shared image. There's transparency, and above all, you both maintain autonomy. Even together, each of you knows what's yours and what's shared. That's emotional freedom. That's true partnership. This kind of relationship doesn't rescue you. It walks beside you, and when life hits, because it will, you don't fall apart. You hold each other up. That's the kind of love that's worth it. The rest is just a debt waiting to explode. So what do you do now? First, have real conversations about money before merging lives. Yes, even while dating. Ask how he handles money, if he has debt, if he knows how to manage it. Second, keep your independence always. your own account, your savings, your plans. Healthy love doesn't require merging into one. It requires mutual respect. Third, watch how he reacts to your independence. A secure partner will support you. A toxic one will try to hold you back. That says a lot. Fourth, set clear agreements. Who pays what? What are your shared goals? What does each person value? This avoids fights and unmet expectations. Fifth, protect what's yours. Document it. Get it in writing. Don't be afraid of seeming cold. You're just being an adult because you didn't work this hard to split it with someone who doesn't contribute. You deserve a relationship where love builds, not one where affection turns into debt. At the end of the day, you don't need a man to save you. You need a relationship where both grow, emotionally and financially. If this spoke to you, drop a comment. I want to love without going broke. Share this video with a friend who needs this wake-up call, and subscribe for more videos that tell it like it is. No fairy tales, no sugarcoating.